depression and my renting blues. I can't stop singing, it's ringing on my head for you.
Yes, I know water, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and out of my mind.
'Cause I love me, loves all of you. Love your curved face on your edges, on your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I win. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Ooh.
Give me all of you. Cards on the table without showing high.
Risking it all to get hard.
'Cause I me love all of you. Love your curves and
Are your edges, are your perfect imperfection. Give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I win. 'Cause I give you all of me, and you give me all of you. Oh.
I'll give you all of me.
And you give me all of you. Oh.
Nice song. It's very relaxing in this hot Monday today. And anyway, Dinda, how are you, Dinda?
I'm fine, thanks.
Okay, how long did you take for doing this preparation for this show?
We only have 3 days for prepare this.
You only have 3 days, and it was very nice.
Thank you.
Congratulations for 3 of you. And thank you, Dinda. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon all the viewers at home and all the audience in the studio. Anyway, today English Corner has a special performance because right now we are on air at 3 o'clock, because later we will have a SEA Games show live we will have a SEA Games show. So what we are going to talk about this week in English Corner, of course, we always have something to discuss about. And this week we are going to talk about goal of life. What is the goal of our life? What is your goal? Do you have any goal in your life? And why do you choose that to become your goals? And what are you going to do when you already achieve your goals? That's what we are going to discuss with 4 speakers from Madrasah Sanawiyah Model Makassar. And let me introduce you who are the speakers today. I have 3 girls and 1 boy. I have Tika. Tika, please introduce yourself.
Hi guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
How are you today?
Fine.
Okay, I'm Atika Fatima, but you can call me Tika or Atika. So I'm a student at MTSN Model Makassar. My hobbies are reading science fiction novels or fantasy novels and listening to music. I'm also interested in art, and I'm also an activist. I could say that I'm an activist because I join in many organizations at my school. One of them is the intra-organization of student association, and also I'm the leader of it.
Okay, so you are the leader of the intra-organization. Cool. So welcome to English Corner, Tika.
Yes.
Okay, next please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hi everyone, my name is Yaya Maudie Limbang Tasi, but people usually call me Yaya. I'm a student of MTSN Model Makassar, and I'm a member of Youth Red Cross. I'm interested in fashion designer.
You're interested in fashion designer. Do you have any favorite designer?
Dian Plangi is my favorite one.
Okay, so she's the one who inspired you to become the designer as well. So welcome to English Corner, Yaya. And next, please.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hey everybody, how's your life? My name is
Good.
Anissa Melivan Yusna, but my nickname is Sasa. I'm a student of MTSN Model Makassar. I'm joining extracurricular band, and my hobbies are listening to music, singing, drawing, and many more.
Did you play any kind of music instrument?
I like to play payphone on keyboard sometimes,
Oh,
and all of me on guitar sometimes too.
nice. Any favorite musician?
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift. Welcome to English Corner. Next, the only one boy that I have today in on the stage, but not in the audience. Okay, introduce yourself.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Hello everybody, my name is Ahmad Abizar Habibullah, but people usually call me Abizar or BJ.
BJ,
Yes.
like in Barney. Hello, BJ. Not that BJ.
No.
Okay, not that BJ.
I'm a student of MTSN Model Makassar. I didn't join any organization, but I joined the basketball club and this English club. My hobbies are playing games, playing basketball, and other.
Playing games. What kind
Yeah.
of game? Don't say it's a video game.
Yes, video
Is it?
games. Yes, video
Okay,
games.
video games. Okay, so welcome to English Corner, Abitsar.
Yes.
And I'd like to greet all the audience in the studio today. Hello. And all of them are from Madrasah Sanawiyah Model Makassar, teachers, students, and staff. Welcome to English Corner for all of you. And also I'd like to thank you for the principal of MTSN Model Makassar, Mr. Dotrandes Haji Abdul Rafiq MPD. So you must be so proud today seeing the teacher and the students right here on English Corner. And of course, we are going to talk about goal of life. And if you want to join us later, maybe we can open our interactive session later on by dialing the number 858578. But before you call here, let me give a little bit interactive first with our four speakers here. So we talk about goal of life. What do you think of goal of life? Who wants to go first? Yes, first.
Let me. I think goal of life is something related to purpose of life, something that our dreams or our ambitions. So I can say that goal of life is about what we want to be, what we want to do, what we want to fix, or what we want to make better than before. So all of the goals, all of someone's goals are the good things, and then if we want to catch that goal, we have to do our best by work harder and pray to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. And for me, to make your dreams come true is by learn from what is the worst thing you did from the past and then fix it in the future, maybe.
Good. Learn what did you did at your past. How about Yaya? Any different opinion? What is goal of life in your point of view?
To me, goal of life is something that we want to catch or get in our life. Something like dream, wishes, and hopes. But if you cannot reach your goal life, you don't be like disappointed, because just believe that Allah will always give you the best way.
Okay. On the right time, of course. And do you have another opinion, darling?
Yes, I have. Goal of life is something like dreams,
Yes.
wishes, and ambitions, and what people want to reach it out. So, goal of life is really important because all of your effort that you have done so far was for what you want. So, if out of there has a people has no goals of life, then all of their effort is for nothing.
Okay. Their effort is for nothing.
Yes, if they have no goals
Interesting.
of life.
BJ, what is your goal? What do you think of goal of life?
To me, goal of life is something what everyone have to have.
Everyone has to have.
Yes, goal of life is something that you dreamed of, what you really want. So you have to work hard, do your best, and try to reach it. There's no quitting. Giving up is not an option.
Okay, so if you don't have any goal of life, it means
means
Don't live.
yeah, you know.
Don't live.
Yeah.
And what is your goal of life, Tika?
Actually, my goal of life is become a cabinet minister of the environment.
Oh, okay.
Yes, because I really love our environment, especially in Indonesia, and I want to always keep it clean, you know. We can see people nowadays always careless to
Yeah.
their environments. It's like they throw their rubbish everywhere, and then the drinking water. I'm so worrying with limited drinking water, you know. So I wonder if I can improve this country with the better sanitation in the future. So I want to become a cabinet minister of the environment.
You want to become the cabinet minister. Good ambition. How about Yaya? What is your goal of life?
I want to be a famous international designer, the same like my idols,
Okay.
Dian Pelangi.
You want to infect all the people in the world with your fashion.
My own branded like that.
Okay. Sasa, what is your goal in this life?
My goal of life is want to become a doctor like my father.
Ah, you want to become a doctor like your
Yes.
father.
Yes.
Okay, BJ. Any goal of life? Want to get the most beautiful girl in the world? Yes, that's one of goal, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
I
BJ,
think
go on.
my
Sorry.
goal of life is it's because I'm interested in technologies. I really want to make a robot.
Robot.
Yes.
What do you imagine this robot can do?
What it can make? What can human do? I want a robot like that.
Okay, so you don't need any maid at home. No,
No.
no more maid.
Yes.
Just take the remote and then ask the robot, go wash the dishes.
Yes,
Wash the
like
clothes.
Like that.
And then you just stay in front of the TV watching. Go work for money, robot. No?
Maybe.
Maybe you ask the robot to look for money for you. Okay, so that's every person has a different goal in your life. That's your ambition for the long in your future, of course. And Tika just said that you are become the sanitation of the
Ambassador.
of
South
the
Sulawesi.
South Sulawesi province
Yes.
in 2014 this year. So my question is, could you tell me your experience and in this ambassador sanitation?
Yes, thanks for your question. This is one of my goals too. So I have my goals are written in a piece of paper that I call 100 targets of life, and then
Okay.
this is one of them. So
How many that you already give a tick?
around
From 100?
I don't
How
know.
many?
Only 1%. But I joined in the last year in 2013, but I failed at that time.
Okay.
So, but I never give up. I think why I can't win at that time. So I learned from my mistake. Just what I say just now. I learned what was my mistake, and then I fix it well, and always practice at home how to speak well in front of many people. So I beg to join the competition in this year 2014, and alhamdulillah finally I become the sanitation ambassador of South Sulawesi, and as a representative of South Sulawesi to join the next competition in Jakarta
When?
in 15 until 24th June. It has done.
Oh, it has done.
Yes.
And
I failed to.
that's okay. No problem.
Yes.
As long as you already become the ambassador of the South Sulawesi.
Yes.
And what do you feel after you got this?
You know, I could say that I ride just like I ride the roller coaster that only goes up. You know, so excited
You ride the roller coaster
that only goes up.
that only goes up.
Yes.
Huh? When will it go down? Tell me. When will it go down?
Maybe when I fell again.
No, don't worry. I'm just kidding. Okay, yeah. So you want to become a fashion designer. Okay. Do you expect these goals in since you were a child, or it just came out when you know Dian Pelangi and then I want to be like her?
Just came up at Dian Pelangi because when I was just a child, I want to be a dangdut singer. Seriously.
Really? So you practice a lot in front of the mirror, pretending come as a microphone, and then you do the singing in front of the mirror like that since you were a kid. Really? Wow! But why do you change your goal of life?
Because that's not the modern one.
Oh, don't think about the modern, darling. I mean, everyone has a different goal in their life, and we feel free to reach our goals. But if you have a chance to become a singer, do you want to be?
I guess not.
You're not. Why?
Because I'm not good enough for singing.
You're not good enough for singing, but you're good for the bathroom singer. Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And Sasa, let me give you before I give a chance to the band again to sing for us.
Okay.
So, in your opinion, what do you need to get your goal in the future?
Okay, my goal in the future to become a doctor. Okay, first of all, I need to learn on school. I need to learn more about biology because biology is related to listen about medicines.
Yeah.
So I need to learn anything about medicines or when it's on school or everywhere. And one day, if I like to, I would like to enter medicine university because it's
Here
very-
or outside?
if I can, I want to be an outside. Because medicine university is more easily to learn about medicines than enter a regular university. And on medicine university, we being trained more about medicine and be a great doctor, something like that.
So, if you want to be a doctor, what kind of doctor that you want to be? A pediatrician or
I want to be medicine physicians. I want to be medicine physicians because I want to know about diseases in human body and what the cause and the solutions.
okay. So you try to study hard from now,
Of course, from now work harder and harder.
harder and harder,
Yes.
because you have your the role model already. That's your father.
Yes, of
Yes,
course.
of course. And BJ, you want to have a robot.
Yes.
Do your parents support your goal?
I think so.
You think so? Why
Yes.
do you think so?
Because
Did they give you a workshop to
No.
make a robot in there,
No.
or so? What kind of support did they give to you?
maybe some supports like they motivate me. Like they will follow what I want to, and I want to make a robot. That's
Okay,
it.
nice. And one day, if you already have a robot,
Hmm.
please give me one.
You have to buy it.
So I can use it at my house as well. Go wash this is so I don't need to do any house job anymore, right? I just ask the robot to help me to do that. Okay,
Yeah.
we will continue later, and now let's give a change to the band right now. Yes, please, time is yours. They will sing Titanic. My heart will go on. another wonderful performance from the students of Madrasah Sanawiyah Model Makassar. And the teacher must be so proud to see the speakers, the band, and all the students that are already here. Now I'm going to have a little chit chat with the teacher, Mr. Hasbullah. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Okay, good.
How do you feel? You see your students right here, very fluent in English, and the band performs so well. How do you feel become the teacher?
Well, as a teacher, I think I'm very proud by looking at their ability in speaking English well, and then they do not only how to speak English, but they have good experiences, and then they have good knowledge of environment and all kind of the what is they understand well about the study, not only about the English but all of the subjects, as I can catch from their explanation.
Okay, sir. Sir, I heard that you study abroad right now.
Oh yes.
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 Okay, can you tell us a little bit your experience outside there to give the motivation to the students here?
Okay. Unfortunately, I have been teaching in MTSN Model Makassar since in 1999. Then in 2009, I went abroad. I went to Selandia Baru for taking a short course. It's around 1 year.
Yes.
And I studied there in Institute of Matthew Fulton Japan Institute. Then we got a lot of experience for teaching and studying, and especially how to improve the English itself. Then when I came back here around 2010, if I'm not mistaken, at the end of the 2010, then I teach, and then I go abroad in Malaysia now as a student of PhD student. Then I have been getting a lot of experiences for the teaching itself, teaching methods, and then to me, in my class, especially for the students, when I teach in some classes, that I just show them how I teach and how we motivate and give the example to them, not to give the theory. Then I just try to practice and use the scientific methods, scientific approach, then ask them to discuss some topic. Like one of the topic is like health, like environment, and like their identity, their life, their daily life also. Then we share about that one, and then we, as the teacher, we just inspire them, give motivate, and then show the way, and give them. I mean that student center teaching, and that not teacher center.
Okay,
Give
student
them
center.
a lot of let the students express their idea as well as possible. I
Okay.
think that's my
And it works, sir.
yes.
It works. I can see that your students right now on the stage, very confident. They speak fluent in English, and they're good. They're smart.
Yes, I think that they are smarter than me. Yes, because when I was a student like them in junior high school, I could not understand English. Then my teachers of English, because maybe he motivated me, but he always punished me how to speak English, how to study the English itself. But I changed the methods. It is not a traditional method how to teach the students. I changed it with the modern methods by using the approach to them, to give the motivation and not to punish, not to give the
Punishment.
negative punishment, but give the positive punishment.
What kind of positive punishment,
The
sir?
positive punishment when they do not understand the topic of the discussion or the material of the study itself, we just like give the clap hands and give the memorization of some vocabulary.
Okay.
And give homework or one of the homework after finishing their study. I mean that after finishing their studies in the classroom, I ask them to send the assignments to
On
the
Facebook.
group of English community of MTSN Model Makassar in Facebook.
Okay.
And then it is one kind of the punishment, and I give the reward for the students.
That's
Yes.
the really positive punishment, sir. It makes the students work harder, and they got the knowledge, the new knowledge again. So nice method that you use for all the students. So,
Thank you.
thank you, sir. Good luck with your study in Malaysia. And now I would like to give a chance for the one who has question, the audience. Yes, please. Okay. Yes. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Hasana Kadir. I want to ask the third speaker. How do you get a guarantee that you can get your goal?
Only one question? Okay. Another question maybe? So did you get the point? How do you guarantee that you will reach your goal?
This is like my opinion.
Yeah. You can answer it later because no guarantee in this life. Except you buy an electronic tools and then you have 1 year
Yes.
guarantee. And we still have another question from the audience. Yes, please.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I want to ask a question for the last speaker.
For BJ.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you tell us about your way to reach your goal of life?
Okay. You asked about the way to reach the goal, the way to make a robot.